Well, this is another 3D printed aeroplane, all printed in one piece. Don't know how easily it'll come off. Probably have to use my spatula thing. 1 hour 33 minutes, that says down there. Some of the comments on the Thingiverse page were not very supportive. I think it's a bit lightweight and probably breaks easily. Certainly if you've printed it out at PLA like I have. But we'll give it a try. Oh, one thing it did say was, while it was still warm on the bed, bend some dihedral into the wings. Well, I left this printing while we went out, so that wasn't possible. I'll have to heat it with a hairdryer or something, and then push the wings up. Top looks a bit thin, but I tried changing some of the settings to reduce the number of layers to make it lighter, so that's probably why it looks a bit thin on top. Hi guys, in my garden with the rather sorry looking paddling pool that I haven't found the leak in yet. Just going to give this one a try. I've warmed it up a bit to give it a bit of dihedral. I've put a bit of blue tack on it to give it the nose weight. I think I've got the balance about right. It is only a chuck glider, it doesn't have a hook on it to catapult launch it or anything. So we'll just try it across here. Now some of the comments on the website complained it broke straight away when they threw it. And it is PLA, so it will be a bit brittle. But we'll see how we get on. I think I've got the balance about right. If we throw it towards the bushes. Oh, look at that. If anything, it might want a touch more nose weight. That was sort of just dragging the tail a bit. Or maybe if I launch it down a bit. That's fine. Right, I'll transfer you to the tripod. Just check you're still filming. Okay, we'll see if we can hit the camera. Well, there you go. Success. A 3D printed glider. Bit of nose weight. You did say put a, I think it was a 6mm thread nut on the front there, bolt. But I'd rather use blue tack, especially when I'm trying to hit the camera. Don't want to break the lens. That'll do. It works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.